How many characters can be tweeted in Twitter? 140, 280, 380, 144. A valid email address is email protected at email protected. vrm.india.com, email protected. The storage area in an email known as mailbox, sent box, storage, all of the above. Which of the following is the old name of Twitter? Status, Twit, Messenger, all of the above. What can be shared on Instagram? Photo, video, both, none. An email ID consists of user ID, domain name, both, none. Who sent the email first time? Tim Berners-Lee, Vint Cerf, Herman Heloreth, Ray Tomlinson. What is the full name of CC? Carbon copy, copy carbon, carbon Clint, none. What is another name for junk mail? Sniffer script, spruff, spam, crepe. SMTP is used. Sending mail, download mail, for access time, none of these.
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो में हम ट्रिपल सी के कुछ ऐसे एमसीक्यूएस लेकर आए हैं जो आपकी तैयारी को और बेहतर बनाएंगे। ये सारे सवाल एंकी डेक फॉर्मेट में उपलब्ध हैं ताकि आप बार बार तेजी से रिवाइज कर सकें। अगर आप पहली बार ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं और एंकी एप्लीकेशन के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन जरूर पढ़ें, वहां आपको पूरी जानकारी मिलेगी। अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चन सेट पसंद आता है और आप इसे खरीदना चाहते हैं तो हमें टेलीग्राम चैनल 8xe MCQs पर कॉन्टैक्ट करें। और अगर आपको किसी सवाल या जवाब में कोई गलती लगे तो कृपया कमेंट सेक्शन में टाइम स्टैम्प के साथ लिखें। साथ ही कमेंट सेक्शन जरूर चेक करें, हो सकता है वहां पहले से सुधार दिया गया हो। हर हफ्ते हम नए एमसीक्यू लाते हैं, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Which of the following are not examples of social networking? Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, LinkedIn. Instagram is related to Facebook, YouTube, Google, Microsoft. Which Facebook application allows video sharing? YouTube, Watch, FaceTube, WatchTube. Which is the most popular social media? WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube. None. Quicker belong to C2C, B2B, B2C, C2B. Who is the founder of Facebook? Charles Babbage, Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates. None. Full form of BCC. Blind carbon copy, blind carbon copy, black carbon copy. None. Who is the founder of email? Ray Tomlinson, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs. None. What is Twitter handle symbol? $, hash, @ none. Where is the signature in an email? Center, left, right, bottom. How many friends can Facebook have? 5,000, 1,000, 256. No limit. Who is the founder of Instagram? Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger. Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates. None. What does CC represent? Carbon copy, create copy, cancel copy. None. If we want to add some document in mail, then we choose which option? Link, compost, add, attachment. What is the full form of IM? Internet members, instant messaging, including media. None. Email message can be protected by mirroring, caching, encryption, resending. What is Facebook? Search engine, browser, messenger, social media. Deleted email will be found in trash mail, sent mail, inbox, outbox. Instagram is related to Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Twitter. How long can a video be recorded and posted on Instagram? 60 sec, 30 sec, 5 minimum, 2 minimum. The minimum age to open a Facebook account: 12, 13, 14, 18. What is OLX? eGovernance, e-commerce, email. None. What is the maximum number of members in a WhatsApp group? 256, 255, 250, no limit. What is the full form of B2B? Base to base, base to business, business to business, none. What is the return mail sent to the sender? Bank mail, bounced mail, return mail, spam. Email is an example of which of the following? Electronic messaging, internal messaging, instant messaging, none of these. How many characters can be used while tweet in Twitter? 140, 180, 280, 150. Which of the following files cannot be attached with an email? JPG, PNG, ZIP, X. How many people can be sent message by email once? 100, 250, 500, 1000. The invalid domain word name for email address: gov, fun, com, mil. What does an email ID contain? Letter, number, at, letters, numbers, username, none of these. You can see your email in underscore 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 of your email agent. Draft, inbox, outbox, none of these. Any system that uses the HTTP protocol is called blank. Web browser, web server, www, TCP/IP. All the computers that are connected to the network. Workstations, servers, input devices, network software. Which one of the following is an example of instant messaging? Wikipedia, Facebook, Telegram, YouTube. Which of the following is not a social networking site? Facebook, GoFundMe, Instagram, Google. Which of the following is a business networking site? Twitter, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, YouTube. Which of the following app brings fingerprint authentication for the users? Google Drive, TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp. We can send through email, file, picture, message, all the above. All received mails shows in inbox, draft, sent mail, nowhere. Which of the following is not used in email address? Comma, dot, numbers 1, 2, 3, underscore, underscore. What is the maximum time limit of video that can be uploaded to Twitter? 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 2 minutes 20 seconds. How many photos can be uploaded to Facebook simultaneously? 10, 15, 25, 30. In which of the following web portals can users create their free email account? Hotmail.com, Yahoo.com, Gmail.com. All of above. Which of the following is an example of Flipkart? C2B, C2C, B2C, B2B. Email addresses separate the username from the ISP using the symbol and at $%. Which of the following contains the body of the email message? Image, both image and text, only text. The place where all types of email messages are organized is called what? Inbox, mailbox, outbox, none of these. Instagram is a educational website, search engine, social networking website, shopping website. CC and email stand for carbon catch, carbon copy, consider copy, carbon coupon. Twitter is example of email system, system application, social networking, web URL. Which box overflows with emails generally? Inbox, outbox, address box, message box. Gmail is a software used to search web pages, check emails, find hotels, search files. What is the minimum age to join Facebook? 18 years, 15 years, 13 years, 10 years. When was Twitter launched? The 3rd of January 2006. The 4th of January 2006. The 21st of March 2006. The 12th of January 2006. Once the email is sent, the message is broken into pieces called blank packets, process, digits, bytes. Blank is an example of email utility. Word, Outlook, Explorer, Excel. Usually signature appears at which place in email? At the end, in beginning, in middle, none of the above. Choose the correct instant messaging app. Twitter, LinkedIn, Telegram, Instagram. If send email is not in sender sent box nor in the inbox of receiver, then where it will be? Choose the correct option. In draft, in sent box, in outbox, none of the above. What is the max size of attachment in Gmail? 25 megabytes, 25 terabytes, 25 gigabytes, 25 kilobytes. Choose the correct format for Gmail address. abc@gmail.com, abc@gmail-com, abcgmail@com. None of the above. Telegram is used for blank, making e-payments, sending messages across different platforms, emailing application, none of the above. Blank is used to send an email to some other person in addition to the main subject receiver without disclosing details to all. Carbon copy, blind carbon copy, Dibala carbana copy, Xerox copy. Which service provides dynamic IP addressing to clients? WINS, DNSs, DHCP, PPP. A utility software to help deliver protection to mobile cyber threats and online scams. Norton Mobile Security, Norton Mobile Guard, Norton Antivirus Mobile Safety. None of the above. CEO of the Facebook is Mark Zuckerberg, Mark Savarin and Andrew McCollum, Dustin Biden and Chris Hughes. None of the above. LinkedIn can be used to build connections, stay in touch with colleagues, search jobs, all of the above. OSI reference layer responsible for routing, physical, network, data link, transport. Umang app do not provide services for farmers, hunters, students, pensioners. Who among the following is the founder of LinkedIn? Chris Daniels, Pavel Durov, Reid Hoffman, Marco Boris. Which of the following type of service provided by WhatsApp? Blogging, e-commerce, instant messaging, mobile banking. Email stands for electronic man, electromagnetic mail, electronic mail, engine mail. Which is not type of e-commerce? Business to business B2B, business to customer B2C, alpha commerce AC, consumer to business C2B. Blank allows user to send a file with email, draft, messenger, sent, attachments. What is full form of BCC? Basic carbon copy, blind carbon copy, basic common copy, blind common copy. The principle of e-governance is centralization, bureaucracy, exclusion, transparency. Underscore 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 is not a e-governance components. Process, politics, technology, people. Twitter text posted as tweet can be of blank length 140, 240, 260, 280. What is the maximum number of members allowed to join a single group in Telegram? 200,000, 20,000, 2,000, 200. Which of the following icon is used to add an attachment to an email? Stationery icon, paperclip icon, GIF icon, emoji icon. Blank option helps you to save an unfinished email without sending it. Trash, inbox, sent items, save as draft. Which social network is considered the most popular for business-to-business marketing? Facebook, Orkut, Instagram, LinkedIn. Which term is mostly used by Twitter users? Posts, tweets, twinks, tweets. An email message that has failed to reach its destination is called junk email, trash, spam, bounced mail. E-commerce involves buying and selling of international goods, electronic goods, computer products, product and services over internet. Mail access starts with the client when user needs to download email from the mail host, mail server, content mixing system, email server. Which of the following protocols is used to send emails? FTP, HTTP, SMTP, SNMP.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। मेहनत करते रहिए और सीखते रहिए। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।